Hey, what's going on today?
How are you?
I'm good. What's going on with your back? I'm Timothy Wolff, DO. I've been here with Rockbridge Family Medicine for 12 years, but I've been practicing for 20 years. I've been here at the Rock Road location for the past 4 years. I went to medical school at the Kansas City Osteopathic College and received my degree in 1994. I'm osteopathic fellowship trained in manipulative medicine. I also teach with the Via Christi group, but my clinic is a solo practice with no affiliation to any one hospital. We're a mom and pop type clinic, which allows me advantages there. Because I'm not tied into any one clinic or group, it allows me the ability to spend more time with my patients, to allow the patients to sit and just talk and find out what's going on in their lives. So if you do come in and see us, you'll see either myself or Jamie, my PA. This allows us to have a more personable relationship with our patients. There's not a lot of waiting in the waiting room, and we are able to provide that type of service which I believe patients deserve.
I've known Dr. Wolff since he started his private practice. He's always done an excellent job in all of my problems, especially in my manipulation. He does my hip, he helps with my migraines. I highly recommend coming to see him above all others.
So I'd love to have you come in. We can sit down and talk. We can figure out what's going on with you and give you some relief.